Veteran music producer and executive ID Cabasa reviewed claims made by the Senegalese-American artist Akon regarding his role in the creation of Afrobeats. Akon recently stated in an interview that his collaborations with Nigerian artists and music executives in the late 2000s and early 2010 were instrumental in birthing the Afrobeat genre. However, in a chat with Wazobia FM, ID Cabasa dismissed this assertion, asserting that Akon has no rightful claim to the origins of the genre, while acknowledging that Akon did work with several Nigerian artists during that period, when Afrobeat was still gaining traction globally. Cabasa emphasized that this involvement does not equate to being a founder. He mentioned that artists like Two-Face, Nice, and Timaya were already making waves before Akon started working with stars like Wizkid and P-Square.
Akon talk say na him be the person, na him discover, na him create Afrobeat, na him set the motion for waiting with the scene now across the world.
Akon a person I like, so I no go want to talk about Akon, but I go talk about the thing wey him talk. And I no go to blame Akon for why Akon dey talk wetin dey talk, because we self, now one of the things we are done list they try talk, we say we need to own our narratives. If we no quick put out our narratives in terms of documenting it and really pushing it out there, as we dey take do am, another person go come. Like you rightly said before, say a girl one has then take talk, say somebody now discover
water where people they bath, they
do
everything.
They do everything.
They catch fish.
So, you know, even the people we Akon mention, all of these people don't they do these things. Even before those people, there were people that were doing where they do this thing that time. Yes, the name feel no day say na Afrobeat that time, but this particular sound, if for talk say na still discover the likes of them Two-Face, the likes of them Timaya, the likes of them Nice and Co. And I not be only that one thing in don't talk before, which I know to agree with her.
But I feel like say maybe in one trend he knows the numbers, he know what people will talk or like the touch there or not.
The guy big go now. Waiting at this in our context. I believe say now with the people we don't roll with when they come Nigeria, in beliefs and you know as with the deck do for the lowest rate. When we will tell people say I'm the biggest person around this place, anything we do with me, so probably he don't feel say now him bring those things. You understand?
Make them happen.
Yeah, the band did stuff. Way a lot of stuff. We say the world on the film. Nice don't do stuff. Nice perform for Mandela show. And all of those things. Two-Face, DB, and all of those people. Even these guys where he mentioned
their name
those
now.
Guys, they had their stuff going on for them before they met you. Yes, with most times all in the name of collaboration, we won't also leech on some of these guys where they are brought. But that one only say you can't
start something. Now you start Afrobeats, you create that.
You can't even the way we take they talk about Wizkid. You know, be waiting the story be that. We all know say Banky, them sign Wizkid, don't they work? Yes, collaboration, we collaborate with you on top distribution and all of these things. No me say you go talk, say now you create Afrobeat. Because Afrobeat no be waiting one person create. Now culture, now the sound the merchandise the language
way of life, sound, where don't they?
Where you come from?
Now you create them. So person they come from, I don't understand. Now still that one go pack set.
Yes, but I like but why that one? Why he won't pay me small? Be say him a fellow African man. He no supposed to talk like that. Yeah, but now person will be say I don't go lie you. Now person we I don't hear in music. Why I love. We don't inspire
the
music.
talent, yes.
But I think there's I understand. He's also trying to give a narrative to it, but it should not take off the fact that you met it already. You
come when this thing done there, but because I believe say he no go fit even come do anything if he no see something on ground.
Yes, now everybody don't.
Yes, now because everybody wants his business. So
make we not throw Akon under the bridge. We know say many other people from the UK and all of that people. Everybody they claim saying that them start this movement. And so, na Nigerian thing, sincerely, na Nigerian thing, we need to be careful. And this thing I don't talk, I don't tire. I say no gatekeep if Afrobeat.
Yes.
What you can do is make sure you are keeping yourself
play a part
relevant in the conversation.
Yes,
you understand. And in the bit of trying to keep yourself relevant in the conversation, if you lie, they'll go find you out.
Additionally, Cabasa rejected Akon's claim that Wizkid was merely a local act before being signed and mentored by him in 2008. He clarified that it was actually Banky W who discovered Wizkid and brought him into the spotlight through his label, Empire Mate Entertainment, which later entered into a partnership with Akon's label. While this has caused debate among Nigerians, please share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.